In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to install GCam on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro. In order to test that, we just have to go to the Play Store, and we can use an app that is called GCam, which is an app that allows us to get the GCam app for our phone specifically, at least in theory. So once we have the app installed, we're gonna open it. And we don't have to agree to receive notifications, and we should be able to soon see if we have if the phone is compatible. It has good compatibility, so that's a good news, but unfortunately there is no dedicated GCam version for Motorola Edge 70 Pro, at least not yet. I'm gonna request the GCam, so maybe if you're watching this video later on, if you check it out by yourself, then maybe there is going to be the dedicated version. Now, in the meantime, what I can do is I can get a GCam app that is made for another Motorola to see if it's going to work. Of course, this is always a risk of having incompatible version because, well, the GCam is made for another smartphone, so some of the features might not work. Maybe the app is not going to work at all, so of course we're gonna give it a try. So I'm just gonna search for Motorola over here. And then we should be able to try to find the newest version possible. So over here we have GCam 9.6. I'm gonna try to find an even newer version, although I'm not sure if I can find it. There we go, there's one, 9.7, that's pretty good. There is another one. And of course, if you are looking for a dedicated version for this one, or actually for an alternative like I do over here, then you want to try to find the newest version possible. There are lots of 9.7 versions. There is an older one over here. Okay, I think I'm gonna just use 9.7, and I'm gonna use the one that is for Edge 60 Fusion. So I'm gonna tap on Start Download. Now, if you do so, then you will be redirected to the website where we have the download link. We have to download the app from the website of GCam. So I'm gonna just do so. And of course, we are trying to download and install an app from an unknown source. So if you try to install it, the phone is going to inform you that, well, you are trying to install an app from an unknown source. So you need to simply go to settings and allow the browser to do so, because otherwise you will not be able to do so. So let's wait for the app to be downloaded, and then I'm gonna install it. All right, so now we're gonna try to install it. There we go. And like I said, since we are trying to install the app that is made for another smartphone, there is a possibility that it might not work at all. Maybe it's going to work partially. So let's grant all the necessary permissions. And let's see if it's going to work. So I can see that the preview of the camera works just fine. Let's see if we can take a photo and save it. It seems that we can. Let's switch to the front camera, which it seems that it is working as well. Now let's also go to the portrait mode. We have the night sight, panorama, and photosphere. There we go. Now let's check out the video mode. Let's record a video quickly. And it seems that it is working just fine. There's also the slow motion mode. Oh, something happened. I'm not sure if the app crashed or something. No, I think it loaded up something. There is also the time-lapse mode. Okay, that's good. Now, I'm gonna also check out the settings. So here we have the 4K resolution. Even though it says 8K over here, it seems that it is like a visual bug or a glitch or something. But it seems that 4K 60 frames per second, at least it is supposed to work. So let's see if we can actually record a video. And it seems that yes, it is saving. So far, everything runs good, but of course, I've been using this app only for like a minute or two. So maybe there is something that doesn't work as it is supposed to do, and I can assume that not everything is available in here as it should be for this phone. But that just means that we have to wait for the dedicated version to be released. But so far, you can, for example, try out this version because it seems that it is working just fine, so maybe you can use it in the meantime. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.